another one. I'm glad you got in. Today we're making Chipotle Sloppy Joes. And I'm starting off here with a pound of 10 hamburger. You know how we all have a limit of how much heat we can take? I like some things a little bit spicy. And but there is a limit to what I consider spicy until it goes into pain. This one goes into pain. Here's green peppers. That's high cut green peppers. And whole onion. It was a small onion. But my granddaughter's fiance does so much for me, and I thought, well, I said, what could I fix it? And she said, well, I like spicy things. And I said, oh, I got something for that. So today we're having Sloppy Joes. And the main ingredient is chipotle peppers with adobe sauce. I just tasted the adobe sauce. I'm out of this one. Oh yeah. But you know, I let my husband used to. Oh, he loves hot stuff. I don't know how there's sometimes I would think that the tears would start rolling, but they didn't. He loved it. And some people are like that. And I'm glad they are, because Chipotle probably needs the business. No. When my children were growing up, we always had Sloppy Joes at least once every 2 weeks, and they loved it. So it's been quite a while since I've made Sloppy Joes. But this one I won't be tasting. It goes straight from my kitchen to my granddaughter's boyfriend's. Okay, now to this, we're going to add a half cup of sriracha chili. Plus a half cup of water. Okay, then we're going to put a tablespoon of brown sugar in. And last but not least, 3 chipotle peppers. And just a dab of the adobe sauce. And we're going to let this steam for about 20 minutes. And then it'll be ready for buns. Well, our chipotle is done. And my granddaughter just tasted it and she said it was wonderful. I'm going to take her word for it. Okay. Of course, they recommend you have pickles on your bun and butter it. And I have the brioche buns, so they're all set tonight. So, see how good it looks? It smells good, but it sort of gets you in the nose. Anyway, I hope you have someone that loves Chipotle and that you try it. If it smells this good, if it tastes as good as it smells, it's going to be wonderful. Remember the joy this week. Remember to subscribe if you're a new person. And we'll send you a video each time we make one. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. See you soon. Bye.